Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring power and connectivity are controlled. Charge both earbuds and the case to at least half, and turn off Bluetooth on nearby devices so no automatic reconnect interrupts. Next, identify the exact reset controls, physical button, multi-function button, or touch sensor, because the method depends on that hardware. Once done, place both earbuds in your ears or the case as required, and be ready to press and hold the buttons together for the next step. Now execute the reset sequence. Press and hold the designated button or touch both sensors simultaneously for around 10 to 15 seconds. This forces factory settings. While holding, monitor the LEDs. Typically a rapid white or red flash signals the reset. Make sure to also remove or forget the earbuds from your phone's Bluetooth list so old pairings don't re-establish. Once the lights change or the unit power cycle, release and allow the earbuds to fully reboot before attempting a fresh pairing. Finally, repair the earbuds. Open the case close to your device and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. Some models show a pop-up on iOS or Android. If pairing fails, don't panic. Power cycle the earbuds and your phone, then repeat the reset process once more. If problems persist, check for firmware updates in the manufacturer app. Remember, a factory reset erases presets and connections, so make sure any equalizer or custom settings are noted before you reset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.